shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you'll save me. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. Butterfly feeling, edge of a cliff. Rush of adrenaline in your kiss. Tethered up together, we could go the distance. Yeah, this atmospheric pressure, something when you pull me in. You make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. Be my parachute, be my parachute, be my parachute. I know you got me. Fast, I'm not afraid to land, 'cause you're my only solid ground. Flecks of gold in your eyes, it feels just like a sunrise. This is gonna take me down. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Tapos may water din dito. Dalawa. And then dental kit, shampoo, and lotion. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung CR. So may vault dito malapit. And then nandito din yung parang closet nila na wala namang na rack lang. And so alam mo medyo kalumaan na siya. Okay, may tumutulo pang water. Kanina tinuro sa akin ni ate kung paano buksan yan. Medyo complicated. Pero ayun. Pero papatayin to. Tayin ko muna. So, good afternoon guys. Andito na tayo ngayon sa ating hotel na pag-staycationan for today's video. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Days Hotel by Windham sa Tagaytay. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung view sa baba. Ayan. So, makikita nyo guys, merong pool dyan. So, mag-swimming tayo later. Kakarating lang namin actually. Earlier, pinakita ko sa inyo yung room. So, quick lang naman siya. So, makikita nyo rin naman doon guys na medyo luma na siya, to be honest. Luma na siya, pero malinis naman din, kahit luma na. Well-maintained naman. Pero yung mga kagamitan nakikita nyo and yung ibang mga gamit and yung mga pintura, alam mong sobrang tagal na niya dito. So, ayun guys. So, later, pupunta tayo sa baba, sa floor E ang tawag, or 4th floor ata, tapos pinakababa. So, papakita natin yung pinaka-view ng Taal. And also, magsiswimming din tayo. So, yun. So, hi guys! Samahan mo ako dito. Ngayon, punta tayo sa pool area. So, this is the pool area. Nakakatakot naman dito. So, ayun guys. So we will be staying here for 3 days. Kaming dalawa ng kapatid ko. Gagala lang kami. Titikman yung mga foods dito within the area. Yun. Actually, more on unwind lang kasi it's been a while na nakapagbakasyon kami. Sobrang tagal na. So, ngayon na lang uli kami magbabakasyon. Sobrang layo ng pool, dulong-dulo. So, dito na tayo sa gilid, guys. Ayan. So kita nyo naman yung papunta ng pool. So, ganito itsura niya, guys, pala. Ayan. So, like what I've said earlier, guys, well-maintained naman siya. Kahit na madaming, kahit alam mo yung vibes na medyo luma na yung hotel. Pero ayan, this is the look of the hotel. And there's the pool. Ayan, kita nyo yan guys, yung tinuturo ko. Punta tayo dyan. So, currently we're at level D or third floor. Pero on third floor nila, pababa, hindi siya pa taas. So, ang hassle naman dito, wala bang ibang daanan? May ibang daanan sa taas. Pero sige, i-tour ko muna kayo guys dito. So, earlier today, maulan sobra. Kaya, hindi ko sure kung makapag-swimming talaga kami or ano yung weather natin dito. Pero, ayan, bubuti medyo okay naman siya. Ayan. Pwede kang tumambay dito guys actually. Ayan. So, this is the view of the hotel. Hindi ko lang alam kung may tao ditong iba besides kami. Kasi nung nag-check-in ako, parang kabilang dalawa ng kapatid ko. So, what's good thing about Days Hotel, guys, is first, malapit siya sa mga tindahan and also sakayan ng bus. So, hindi na kami mahihirapan sumakay ng bus later or pag-uwi kami. Or kapag may gusto kami puntahan, madami rin siyang spots na pwedeng ikutan. Yung mga jeep na hinto rin dito, umiikot sa rotonda. So, very accessible siya sa mga sakayan and mga kainan din. So, ayan. So, this is the view of Taal. Wow. Sobrang lamig guys dito right now. Sana lang wag pumutok. Last time kasi parang nabasa ko sa balita, parang may phreatic explosion. So hopefully matulog muna siya dyan at enjoy muna namin. So this is the pool. Not sure kung nalinis na to, guys. Parang ayoko lumublob ngayon dito. I was planning na lumublob pero parang hindi siya malinis, to be honest. So this is an honest review. Nakakatakot lang. Baka kasi prone kasi ako sa magkaroon ng sakit pag madumi or nakakainom ng water. So pag-isipan na lang namin kung magsiswimming kami. Pero right now, or usually naman pag nakikita ko to sa mga videos or sa vlogs, may nagsiswimming naman din talaga. So hindi ko naman ikinakaila yun. Pero yun guys, kung gusto nyo mag-swimming, siguro itapat nyo na may naglilinis kasi medyo madumi siya. For me to be honest with you. So ayan. So ano ba itinerary natin for today? For this day 1. So more on staycation lang dito sa hotel. And more on we will try only steak later on. So makikita nyo yan guys sa gabi. So it's a 30-minute walk lang dito within our hotel area namin. Sobrang sarap niya guys. Nakikita ko sa TikTok, sa Instagram. So I just wanna try kung totoo ba talagang masarap. Kasi lagi sinasabi nila masarap. Pero lahat naman na nagpa-post ng food vlogger, masarap. Pero gusto kong matry para lang maintindihan ko kung ano ba yung masarap doon. Yung price niya is $799. So, yun. Malalaman natin later. And, yun. We're just enjoying this view right now. So, I'll talk to you again soon. So, hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Mall Serene. Nag-iikot lang within the area. So, this is our day 1. Medyo nagkaroon na lang onting changes since hindi na kami tumuloy sa swimming. Kaya, nag-ikot na lang kami dito sa mall nila. So, walking distance lang siya dito sa hotel. And bibili na rin kami ng onting snacks and water kasi onti lang yung binibigay nilang bottled water per day. So, tara! Apa?
Pero baka madilim na dyan. Kasi,
Camping mamaya pa.
kaya na wala hirap ka. Madilim mo sa ko eh.
Bilok naman naman eh. Bilinaw naman. Akala ko kasi ganun talaga yung mood eh. Siguro parang may mystery murder.
Wala.
Diba? Ano kapatid mo sa TV? Bilang